Do you want to create passive income streams that earns you money every single month? In today's video, we'll be taking a look at 5 different passive income ideas you can start as a graphic designer. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first passive income idea is selling vector illustrations online and becoming a stock contributor. If you enjoy creating illustrations or icons, this can be a really great one for you. There's a lot of sites out there where you can start selling your vector designs, and how this actually works is that you sign up to a stock site and you from there start to uploading your work, and then companies can buy your designs, and from there you will earn passive income from every single sale. The good thing about this is that as soon as you have uploaded your design, you don't really have to do any more work, and it will basically just work for you, and you will hopefully get some sales and earn passive income. I would definitely recommend checking out sites like Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, Vector Stock, and much more. I've actually put a link in the description to Shutterstock if you want to get started on there. So now let's move on to the next one, which is selling templates and designs on Creative Market. Creative Market is a marketplace for designers where you basically can sell anything. Do you know how to create great Instagram templates, fonts, mockups, and maybe brushes, for just to name a few? You should definitely check out Marketplace. And if you put in the time, you can definitely create some serious passive income from this. Next one on our list is you can start your own graphic design YouTube channel and start uploading videos about how to create something like speed arts, tutorial videos as we do, or something else, and hopefully make passive income every single day. You're probably wondering how you can monetize this and how you can start making passive income from YouTube, but when you hit 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, you can start monetizing your channel and you can start earning this passive income. There's also a ton of other ways you can create passive income on your YouTube channel. As an fun example, you can do affiliate marketing, or you can link to your own shop. So let's take the next one, number 4. You can create a course and start sharing your knowledge through a platform. You probably have a skill you can teach someone else, and you might be good at website design, vector illustrations, or maybe graphic design thinking. Just something you are really good at and want to teach. And for example, there are sites like Skillshare and Digital Class. There's also Teachable, and yeah, just to name a few for you. The last passive income idea on our list is selling physical products. If you have some cool illustrations on your hard drive just sitting there, you can set up a store and start selling these physical products. That could, for example, be t-shirts, cups, stickers, shoes, you name it. From here you only need to make the marketing for the shop, and it will basically make you passive income. So that was all the passive income ideas for this video. There is a ton of videos out there of how you can get started with these ideas. If you would like us to create another video of more passive income ideas, or you just want to get more information on these ideas in this video, comment them down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you in the next one.